on or about Monday, March 31st, 2014, at approximately 21:48 hours, officers responded to 1719 South Linden Street in reference to the shooting of the residence. When officers arrived on scene, the victim was found dead on the northeast corner of the residence. The victim had gunshot wounds to his head, chest, and back. Witness 1 and 2 stated when they left the residence to get something to eat, Emmanuel K. Foster Jr. was one of the last people seen behind the residence smoking and drinking with the victim. Emmanuel K. Foster Jr., after being advised of his Miranda rights, stated that he and the victim were behind the house drinking beer and smoking marijuana. Mr. Foster stated he decided to confront the victim about a gun he sold him that didn't work. Mr. Foster stated when he confronted the victim about returning his money, the victim became defensive and they began to argue. Mr. Foster stated he thought that the victim was reaching for a gun, so he pulled his handgun and fired shots at the victim. Mr. Foster stated he fired the shots behind him while running away from the victim. Mr. Foster was previously convicted of residential burglary, theft of property, and fleeing, and placed on 36 months of probation. He also has a pending 2013-47-5 for terroristic threatening in first degree. Based on the allegations in the affidavit as well as the pending case, the state would request a bond in the amount of $100,000 cash only.
Mr. Foster, based upon the information provided by the state, the court found that there is probable cause to detain you, subject to a bond in the sum of $100,000 cash only on a single charge of murder in the first degree. You're ordered to appear before this court for your